So the other part where the rubber meets the road is with this partial or residual definition. And we're going to use those terms interchangeably. But I like to call it the partial definition, and that's because I like to think of these situations where business owners are really, they're still showing up to work. They're still working partially. And so, yes, there could be some residual income as well, but oftentimes they're still working. And whether that's in a partial capacity or reduced hours, reduced duties, could be something like that. So I like the partial concept. And you're looking at usually a definition that's going to be triggered by 20% income loss. So some carriers are 15%, but 20% was really kind of the first iteration, because they're usually thinking about, okay, if you're out for 1 day a week, that's 20% of the work week. And so that you can usually draw a line to 20% income loss. And so that 20% income loss is really the threshold, the trigger for these benefits when you're looking at a partial claim. If you're not experiencing 20% income loss, it could still be a squeeze for sure, but it's not going to be a financial catastrophe where you have to sell the house, sell your kids, just kidding. But that kind of scenario where you're really stuck in it and needing to find a way out, where a DI policy can come in and replace your income. If it's under 20%, it's not, it still could be tight, but it's not going to be the catastrophic scenario that we're aiming to protect with the DI policy. So that 20% threshold is important to understand, but that's not where it stops. So if you have a 50% income loss, it would pay out 50% of the benefits. A 60% income loss, 60% of the benefits, and so on until you get to 80%. And usually these policies are all going to pay out 100% of the total disability benefit if you're experiencing an 80% loss of income or more. So that's how this plan is working. It's designed to be pretty linear in regards to your income loss. So 50% of your income is lost, you would get 50% of your benefit.